How to quarter tone bend. Quarter tone bends are another great way to add character to single notes. Although they're named quarter tone, this doesn't mean that you should bend precisely to a quarter tone above, but rather that the range of a quarter tone bend is down to your personal taste, and it should serve the music. The basic technique is the same as normal bending, but you should stop bending once you hear a change in the pitch, like this. Also, quarter tone bends are usually short and quick, like this. One way to stop and mute the note is by lifting your fretting finger like this. Another way to mute is to use the palm of your picking hand. Gently lay your palm over the strings once you hear a change in pitch, like this. Let's take this lick for example. Playing these notes as they are sounds a bit flat. Now, by adding quarter tone bends, you can change the sound of the lick a lot and give it more character, like this. You can add quarter tone bends to any notes, but there are a few things to take into consideration. Applying it to a long note will make it sound out of tune, which you want to avoid. Also, try not to let the bend return to its original pitch, like this, but rather end it before it comes back. Experiment a bit on your own and see if you can find nice places to add quarter tone bends.